Hey everyone, so today we are going to be talking protective styling and really protecting your hair while you're protective styling. So if you're someone that uses or that wears braids, weaves, and wigs, this video is for you. Now, when it comes to protective styling with wigs, weaves, and braids, the key is keeping your hair hydrated and moisturized. Many times we wear these styles for its low maintenance benefits. However, we still experience a lot of breakage and a lot of brittleness because we don't actually protect the hair while it's in the styles. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to actually protect your hair while protective styling using our Grow and Maintain bundle. So there are three target areas that we are going to focus on today. We're going to focus on hydration. That's where the hydrotherapy mist comes in. That is the absolute first step, keeping your hair hydrated and your scalp. So what happens is, especially if you work out a lot like me, the sweat dries the hair out. So you want to make sure to combat that dryness by hydrating the hair with a water-based product. That's where our hydrotherapy mist comes in. You're going to hydrate your hair and your scalp. Now, I like to use the LOC method. Some of you guys like to use the LCO method. So whatever routine works best for you. So the next step in the LOC method, first step is liquid. That's where the hydrotherapy mist comes in. The second step will be oil. That's where the follicle stimulating serum comes in. We are going to oil the scalp and massage that in for 3 to 5 minutes, focusing on the key areas, hairline and edges. That is one of the main places that a lot of women, especially a lot of us Black women, experience hair loss and shedding. The temples or our edges and around the hairline, especially if you're wearing wigs and weaves. If you have clips that go in here on the temples, a lot of time the pressure from the clips can cause hair loss, and the hairspray and the glues that we are using also can cause hair loss. So we want to go in with the follicle stimulating serum and target those areas and really massage it in to stimulate blood flow so we can get some growth, getting those edges back. Okay, girl? Next step will be the cream. We're going to go in with our twist and curl souffle and we are going to moisturize the scalp and the hair. We want to do that so you make sure your hair is healthy. When you take those braids out, you don't want a bunch of shedding. You don't want a bunch of breakage. You want to see that your hair is actually growing and flourishing while it is in this low manipulation or low maintenance style. So we're going to be focusing on 3 target areas today: hydration, stimulation, and moisture. So let's get started. So when it comes to wearing weaves, if I'm wearing a frontal, I first start off with water to loosen it up so I can be as gentle on my edges as possible. I personally do not use glue, so I take my weaves off or my wigs off at the end of the night. So if this is the process where you just wear your wig and you take it off at the end of the night, this is a great step for you. So I'm just loosening it up with some spray, with some water in our Antoinette spray bottle. And that comes right up. There we go. First things first, we're going to go in with the J. Antoinette Hydrotherapy Mist, focusing on the scalp, making sure it's hydrated. I'm going to go in on each part and spray. Now, the reason why the hydrotherapy mist is so important when it comes to the first part of the LOC series is that the hydrotherapy mist is formulated with 3 powerful humectants. So you have aloe vera juice, you have glycerin, and you have sodium lactate. That's why this product is one of our best sellers, because the humectants in the formula actually lock water onto the hair, keeping the hair hydrated, keeping it soft, and it helps to hold in the moisture longer. Next step, the most important step, is the follicle stimulating serum. Now I do this every day or at least 5 times a week if you want to see growth and optimal health. If you're experiencing shedding or hair loss in your hairline or anywhere on your scalp, you want to do this at least 5 times a week. Now with the hydrotherapy mist, you can use as needed. You can use it every day or every couple of days. If you're working out every day, I would suggest to use that every single day or every other day. Then you want to massage this in. This is something that you want to do after you work out. And then target those key areas. The front hairline. Now we're gonna lock all of that in with the twist and curl souffle. So just with a little bit of cream, I'm gonna put it at the back of my hand and I'm just going to rub that in. Now I only do this once a week because I don't want my scalp to get clogged up with product. So because of working out, I want to make sure my hair stays hydrated and moisturized. Now you can actually finish this process up with a styling foam and tie your hair down just to keep the braids nice and neat and flat, because it can get, as braids get older, they tend to get faggy. So you can put a nice light styling foam on the top, tie it down to seal everything in, and just to lay the hair down in place until you put your wig on again, girl. Okay? So let me get my hair tied and let's finish this up. All right, hair is tied down and secured, and that's it. So if you do your routine at bedtime, you're gonna do this right before bed. I like to do it in the day after I work out, and then go ahead and hydrate my hair and moisturize my scalp. But that's just me. You can do this at any time of day that you like. Look, this routine has been a super game changer for me because I have been protective styling more often, just really desiring the low maintenance because my days have become so hectic and so busy. So making sure I oil my scalp and keep the hair hydrated and moisturized. My hair has been growing so much. So just leaving it alone and making sure that it's healthy while it's in that low manipulation state. So if you have any questions, go ahead and leave me a comment in the comment section below, or you can send us an email at info@jantoinette1927.com. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye.